Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make effective classroom discussion using Padlet. Basically, Padlet is an application to create an online bulletin board which you can use to display information on any topic. This allows users to easily express their thoughts on a topic. Padlet is also called as online virtual wall, and Padlet comes for free. Let's get into the video. First of all, you have to log on to padlet.com and follow the regular sign up procedure. Once you are done with your login, you will end up in this page. To create a Padlet, click here, and if the students wants to join a Padlet, they have to click join a Padlet and they should enter the code, and then they can start posting their views. Let's create a Padlet and select a template. After selecting the template, post your question in the title section and description can be edited. And this is the link which is to be shared with the students. Copy this. Okay, the link got copied. And these things can be edited like wallpaper, color schemes, font styles and all. And click next. Click start posting. That's it. Now share the copied link to the students' email ID so that they can start posting their views. Now I'm going to show you a demo on how students will post the responses. So now if I'm a student, have got the link and this is the question. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to enter my name or any kind of title. The question is database applications. I'll write and much more. So if this is done, you can see that in the main board all these things got updated. Imagine that if you got 50 students in the classroom, you'll be getting 50 different responses from the student, and even the slow learner will participate actively in this. After recording all the responses from students, now the teacher will start an active discussion where all these points will be discussed and summarized. Even the teacher can edit the points over here. And finally, the teacher can make a PDF file which can be shared with the students. Click on share, scroll down and select save as PDF and select publish PDF, so that a PDF file will get generated with the date and time and questions and all the responses, and it can be downloaded here. Hope you like this tool. Try this one and let me know your suggestions. Thanks for watching the video.